Guys, today we're gonna be changing our vehicle cabin filter. If you haven't checked my video on how to change the engine filter of your vehicle after an oil change, please do so to help you change your air filter. Today what I'm gonna be doing is to change the cabin filter for my 2017 Kia Sedona, and what I'm using is the STP brand of cabin filter, so stay tuned. So the cabin filter and most cabin filters are mostly hidden in the glove box section. So to do this, you're gonna have to pop this side open, and there are two screws right here. It's not actually a screw. You see this right here for 2017 Kia Sedona. Please loosen that, slack that up and pull it, slack that up and pull it, remove it, put it in, and all you have to do is to remove this side, just to pull that side open. 1 second. Press it and just pull it up. 1 second. Sorry guys, holding my camera at the same time I'm trying to pull this thing open, so bear with me a little bit. Well, you just have to press this together, press it together, maybe use a long nose or something, press it together and pull it. It's fairly easy. 1 second. So I just got something to help me. There you go. So yeah, just get a long nose or maybe a plier, whatever you have, press it to help remove that off. So once you get that open, you're gonna have to pop this side. So the air filter, cabin filter is actually in here, so you wanna pop this open by pressing this. There is it's too dark here. 1 second, make sure you can see it. Yeah guys, so I got some lights to help you see. So you see this side, you just have to press that side open easily like that. It pops up and you pull it out. This is the dirty cabin filter, guys. You see how dirty it is. See, it's really dirty, and if yours is dirty like that, it's gonna smell. You see, it's really dirty. So I'm gonna be installing the new filter, guys. So this is my new STP filter. I'm gonna be removing it and then installing it in here. It's fairly easy. 1 second. It goes this way, I believe. No, it goes that way. Sorry guys. There you go. Make sure it fits in there. Push it. Nice and sweet. It's easy, right? So you're all set. Now you have to put your cover in. Make sure you put this side in here first, that way, and then push it until you hear a click. There you go. So we are all set. Now let's put together our glove box and we should be all set. Now to put the glove box in, guys, we wanna make sure it's easy, right? Just pull this in and push it back in here. Pull and push it in until you hear a click. There it is. So now we have to put in our two screws. Remember that remember this one, 2 screws that we took. We're gonna have to put them back on the sides to help us lock it. So we have it here. You have to align this to the hole right there, or to the shape. So 1 second, my hand is kind of tight, holding one camera with one hand. 1 second. 1 second, guys. So that is how you do. So you just put that in here. Make sure it aligns, guys. If it doesn't, then you might want to check why. There you go. So you twist it to lock it, and then you do the same thing here. Make sure it aligns, and you should be all set. There you go. There you go. So it's all good. So let's put our manual back in, and insurance document, whatever you have in there, just put it back in, and you should be all set, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe to the All Things Tech channel. We put a lot of DIYs. Regardless if you're a homeowner, we do put a lot of DIYs on here to help you save money. All right, take care. Bye.